Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a young athletic boy. He was a very good runner. The boy was very hungry for success, and for him, winning was everything. He measured the success just by winning. One day, the boy was getting ready for a running competition in his small village. Two other boys were also participating. Many people had gathered to watch the race, including a wise old man who had come from far away to see the event. The race began, and it seemed like anyone could win. But the boy pushed himself hard and used his determination, strength, and power. He crossed the finish line first, and the crowd cheered and celebrated. The wise man, however, remained calm and didn't show any emotion. Little boy felt proud and important. Later, a second race was announced. In this race, two new young and fit challengers came forward to run in competition with little boy. The little boy raced again and won for the second time. The crowd was excited once again. The wise man remained still and calm, again expressing no sentiments. The boy felt proud and important because of his victories. He started to plead, "Another race, another race." Seeing this, the old man stepped forward and presented the little boy with two new challengers. Among new challengers, one was an elderly frail old lady and other was a blind man. "What's this?" quizzed the little boy. "This is no race," he exclaimed. Old wise man replied, "Race." After that, all were set on starting line. Race started and boy was only one to finish that race, leaving two challengers standing at the starting line. The little boy was ecstatic and raised his arms in delight. But to his surprise, this time no one from the crowd was cheering. Everyone was looking at him silently, showing no sentiments. What has happened? "Why not do the people join in my success?" little boy asked wise old man. Wise old man replied, "Race again. But this time, finish together. All three of you must finish together." Little boy thought for a while and then again went to the starting line and stood in middle of frail old lady and the blind man. Then he took both the challengers by the hand. The race began and the little boy started to walk slowly, ever so slowly, to the finish line and crossed it. This time, at end of race, crowd was delighted. They smiled, cheered and waved at the little boy. The wise old man smiled, gently nodding his head. Little boy felt proud but still didn't understand why crowd was not cheering him before, but now cheering when all three of them finished race together. He asked old man about it. "Old man, I understand not. Who are the crowd cheering for? Which one of us three?" The wise old man looked into little boy's eyes, placing his hands on the boy's shoulders. He replied softly, "Little boy, in this race you have won, much more than in any race you have ever run before. You have won people's respect. And for this race, crowd cheer not for any winner. They cheer to show the respect how you ran." The moral of the story is, you see in life, your life, what are you running for? Are you hungry for success? Is winning the only measurement of success for you in your life? What are you running against? If you always win against everybody, then soon the people will stop cheering for you. At the end of your life, if you look back, the question is, who was running next to you in the race? If they were weaker and old, did you help them to get across the line? Did you all finish together? Because that is the best race you can ever run. So run. Run this race called life. But don't forget, it is not important if you win. It is important how you run this race. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.